Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Nintendo, and in this tutorial I'm going to share with you guys that how actually I got free Nintendo eShop gift card, guys. So if you want to learn how to do it as well, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself, guys, so you can be able to do it also you on your own. I'm going to do it in a simple steps, guys, so it can be understandable. So all you have to do, you just need to stick with the tutorial until the end. So I'm going to explain everything. All right, so let's start this tutorial immediately right now to show everything you need to know. So guys, the first thing you need to do, you need to grab your phone in your hand because you will need in order to get a free code, okay? So it doesn't matter the phone that you have, it can be iOS or Android, steps are going to be the same, all right? So the first thing you need to do, you need to go to your internet browser and then you need to go and search about this site. It's called lulucoupons.com, all right? So once you're gonna enter in, you have a lot of other things which you can check later if you're interested. I'm just gonna use the searching bar and type here Nintendo. And here you have this Nintendo gift card, you press on it, and then you have this option show coupon code. So now you just need to wait a couple of seconds for the circle to get complete until the end. This is, to check the validity of the coupons left on the site. So once it's going to be done, guys, it's going to show us that the code is locked. So we need to unlock the code. So you press this option, get the full code. And the next page is requiring us to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. So you just need to read the instructions, guys. It says download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Nintendo gift card promo code. You have a note, do not use VPN or proxy. So if you're using any VPN or proxy, turn it off before, guys, so the process doesn't fail, okay? So down below, guys, you're gonna find this list of the apps, which you need to choose 2 apps from this list to complete as a task, all right? So all the apps have different descriptions, as you can see. So try to find which is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time on them. And the most important is that all the apps are for free, so you don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are from App Store or Play Store, which it means that they are from official stores, so you don't have to worry about the apps, okay? So how it works, guys, once you're going to choose which one you want to do, you just need to press on it, and then it shows again the instruction what you have to do, all right? So you press unlock now. It will connect you to App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Play Store if you're using an Android device, okay? So now it's connected with my, as you can see, with my iPhone. And now from here I need to download the app. Just 2 seconds, I need to put my Face ID. All right, so now it's downloading the app. So after downloading, I just need to complete the instruction it was required in the description, okay? So guys, I'm gonna complete both of the apps and then I'll come back to you to show how to reveal the code and how to activate it after, okay? So I'll not record everything so not to make the video too long, okay? So here we are, guys. I just completed both of the apps. I did this Western Union first and this second one, this game Run Goddess. So now how to get the code, you need to get back one more time to the site where you were. So you have to come back one more time here. And now down below, you're gonna find this back button, guys, for iPhones, and for Android, you should have it here. You need to go one more time back. And then the code get revealed, as you can see, guys, okay? If you try to get back immediately without completing the task, the code is going to show locked again. So, or if you didn't complete the task correctly as per description, the code is going to show locked again, so you need to redo it from the beginning, okay? So this is one-time use code, guys. If you want to get another code or something, you need to redo it again. You just need to find the new apps, okay? So now, guys, this code I'm going to put here on my Nintendo account. I'm opening the screen recorder over here. All right, so just go to the profile, and then we're going to put the code over here. All right, so now we are going to activate it, and as you can see, it got activated successfully and works totally fine. All right, so this is it, guys, in short words. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll try to help with everything you need. See you in the next videos, guys. Cheers.